Hello and welcome back to Microsoft Excel course Advanced. This is part 16, inserting comments on Excel worksheet. Here we will see how we can add and view comments on our worksheet. Once the comment is in place, how we can edit and delete those comments. Hope you are finding these videos useful. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can always type it in the comment box. I'll try and reply as early as possible. Here we have our data. We have some records in place which I want to share with some others, and before sharing them these data, I want to add in some comments which others should review, and if there are any changes they can tell me that these, instead of writing it on paper and passing it on or verbally telling me, they can add in the information here only in Excel itself in the form of a comment. So what are comments? Comments help in providing additional information, maybe some facts or tips or feedback on the data which is stored on our Excel sheet in these cells which we have over here. So to add in the comment, under your review tab and under comments group, you have all these options available. You can add in a new comment, delete, you can move to a previous added comment, you can move to the next comment, plus you can always click on show comments to see the entire list of comments which are being added to your Excel sheet. For example, I want to add in a new comment. This is this particular record number 8 over here, the row 8. We have a email ID. Just select a cell wherever you want to add in a comment. Click on new comment option. A small box will open for you, and you can see on the upper right hand corner of your cell a mark has been placed that a comment is being added over here. Then you can type in the information or the tip which you want to provide. Say, if I say check mail ID and then post it, it will show you which cell has this comment. You can see the cell address also, it is D8, and just click. Now once your comment is in place, you can go to any cell, you can click over here, you can come back to the comment. If you want, you can click on edit. It will show you the date and the time when the comment was being added. You can click on edit. You can edit over here and then click on save, or you can cancel it altogether. All right, the other person who will see, he or she will make a changes over here in the comment. If I click on these dots over here, if this is resolved, you can delete the thread. That is the conversation which is being taken. You can resolve the thread. That these options are present for you. So we have seen how to add in a comment. Let's add one more comment. Say over here, I want to add in a comment. Cross check stream. I want them to check the stream is correct or not. This has been added. Let's add in one more comment over here. Say wrong amount, that can be checked. You can see we have 3 comments over here. If I am over here at this particular box over here, and I want to move to the next comment, I can always click on the next comment. It will show me the next comment, and if I want to go to the previous comment, I can always click on the previous comment box. Anytime you want to delete a comment, select that particular cell wherever the comment is being added and click on delete. It will remove the content. The content will remain as it is. There will be no changes to the comment. So you can always click and move to a particular cell and see the comment. You can make changes to the comment, you can edit it, you can delete the comment, you can go back to the previous comment, next comment. All those options are present under your review tab and the comments group. So we have seen how we can insert comment to the data which we have on our Excel sheet. We can move on to the previous comment or next comment, or we can also delete a comment. Plus we have the feature of seeing all the comments which are added to our worksheet over here. Here you get a list of all the comments. From here also you can work on this particular comment which is available. I have started a conversation over here, and you can see these are the comments, different cells which are being provided, plus resolve thread and more thread options are also present. This is one way of seeing all the comments. Now at the top over here and below your title bar, here also you have the comments option. You can click on comments, same as clicking on show comments in your review tab. Here also you can see all the comments which are being added to your worksheet data. In the next part we will see what are the various data analysis tools present in Excel and how we can use them in a day-to-day life. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.